Hey folks, ET here coming at you with the pre-market prep, so let's get to it. So a nice volatile day yesterday. We did not cover all of our gamma range because gamma range jumped down to 566 and we were not near that even on our big dip yesterday. Very nice move down, very nice grind up, and then that late day clip was pretty fun as well. DEX is taking us back and forth between green, red, green, so kind of keeping price in this range, in this place for the moment. Jumping into our customer sentiment, it's in that slightly bear to neutral territory at the moment. It's slid up from here, so we may not be in the full short the pop mode still, but we'll find out soon enough when we see our next bar. Jumping into our dark pools, our largest ag has moved up quite a bit away from price at 611. Not saying we're just going to immediately rip to 611. Don't do crazy things, but we are quite far away from our current one. As right now in pre-market, we're about 578, high 578, near 579. So obviously we are all the way down here, and our largest ag is all the way up here. So if that continues to stay and doesn't come back down, then we know we have an upside target for bounces. Well, targets don't have much to the upside right now, though, so we'll just keep an eye there. Jumping into our gamma. Well, 575 was important yesterday. We passed it, right? And here's the interesting part on the ag. Over 575 is so thin on the ag, all the way up to 592. So really plenty of room there for some volatility and some ease of movement if price wants to flip-flop back and forth between those two price targets. Biggest pull is currently 590, so it makes sense if we got to pull up there at some point. And then the next biggest pulls are 580 within that range, which would make sense if we're flip-flopping back and forth there. And then next one there's 574. If we lose 575, huge gamma cluster to make our way down there. So we'd have to rappel down, 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 down. Would be more difficult, but stranger things have happened. Okay, now jumping into today's gamma, 3.5, before we get everybody out of here. Today's gamma, it's all right. We're right around this spot here. Okay, so what we don't want to see is a flip-flop between 578 and 581. We don't want to see chop right there. Biggest pull is still up here at 585. So really, we just need to hold 576 today, and we definitely would have potential all the way up to this 587. If we can't hold 576, boom, we're coming down to 565. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good day. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.